By the time you see this, we have already sold 1 million of these. Why though? Well, apparently, people love their screens, and this is what makes them protect that screen while being extremely easy to apply. You don't even need to worry about dust, just put it on top, pull the dust on tape, swipe, and then peel. You can then swipe from the middle to make it absorb faster, then swipe the edges like this. And as you can see, no dust, no air bubbles, less than 15 seconds. Privacy origin protects your privacy from both sides at 28 degrees. Hydrophobic electroplated oleophobic layer makes your screen silky smooth and fingerprint proof. It is scratch resistant and unlike ordinary tempered glass screen protectors that break like this,
Oh my God!
our screen protectors are actually made to protect your screen properly. And if you like it, you get 2 in the box, so click the OK and purchase it now.